Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video we're going to do a two-part piece. We're going to work on cross-arm chi sao, but we're also going to work on application to applying to different pressure points on the body. But before we do that, I need you to go over and click the boxes to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for all your support and have a nice day. Half step forward, pox out the elbow. Phoenix eye strike, small intestine 18. Release step, lop sal, Phoenix eye strike, triple heater 23. Half step forward, pox out the elbow. Phoenix eye strike, small intestine 18. Release step, lop sal, Phoenix eye strike, triple heater 23. Half step, pox out punch. Counter my opponent's pox out using a lop sal. Release step, UG strike, large intestine 17. Half step, pox out punch. Counter my opponent's pox out using a lop sal. Release step, UG strike, large intestine 17.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.